G'day, I'm James Edwards, National Channel Manager for SMA Australia. Today we have our highly regarded Sunny Boy in series of inverter. Today we'll be unboxing a 5 kilowatt power class. Let's open it. The first thing I like to do before I head to site is just double check you have the right power class. Also take note of the serial number located on the side. The first thing you'll find is your operating guide. You then have your accessory pack, followed closely by your wall bracket. So let's take out your new Sunny Boy inverter. What you'll note is its red colour in appearance. Red denoting a single phase configuration, coming in a 3, 4, 5 and 6 kilowatt power class. You'll note 3 LED indicators on the front. On top, your QR code for easy commissioning, and then a brochure for Smart Connected. Smart Connected can be activated upon commissioning of your inverter. On the side, you'll find your DC isolator. On the bottom of the unit, you'll find your 2 maximum power point trackers with dual string inputs. On board the unit, you have our patented shade fix mitigation technology, allowing for additional yield on site. You then have our patented arc fix technology on board, also commonly referred to as arc fault circuit interruption. This unit is backed by a 5+5 comprehensive parts and labour warranty, giving you a full 10 years peace of mind. For further information about our Sunny Boy range, please reach out to one of our authorised distributors or one of your respective SMA BDMs. Please also remember to follow us on all our social media platforms. Thanks.